This recently renovated 2/1 flat in the Shady Forest subdivision is located near Varsity House on Southwest 20th Avenue and Hull Road, or Southwest 38th Terrace, is pet-friendly and available December 1st. This property showcases off-street parking, a spacious floor plan, fully equipped kitchen, a Florida room, utility room, washer-dryer included, a covered deck perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying a relaxing afternoon, a beautiful tile-accented bathroom with a stunning vanity, and includes yard care. Residents will enjoy the ease of access via Gainesville's RTS bus routes to the University of Florida, the Harn Museum, Butler Plaza, Celebration Pointe, the Oaks Mall, Santa Fe College, and or the plethora of shopping, dining, and entertainment establishments nearby. Accessible RTS Route S 20, 21, 28, 33, 34, 62, and Later Gator C.